Hi guys, it's been another dry week on the market. It's the second week of November and my second week of sizing up my $300 account to a 2K account. And my setups just haven't been there, and there's not been that much going on in the world of small cap from what I can see. I had a decent trade, which was a first green day bounce setup. Took a 15% gain on it, but actually it had a 60% bounce in the end, so it actually feels like a loss to me. But I'm going to go into the trade anyway, so let's go to the chart. So the ticker was CMCT, and this is the daily chart, and I was playing this for a first green day bounce setup. So we've got decent run here on 12th of November. It's gapped up on higher volume than normal. It's done 57 mil in volume, and it's gone from around $5 up to around 11.66, and then it's pulled back, and then I'm playing it here for a bounce. So I don't work on Fridays, so this was perfect as this setup fell on Friday the 14th of November. Now I kind of overlooked this setup. Should have put way more size on it. But anyway, let's go into the intraday. Yeah, so this is its day one here. Nice pullback after hours, and then day two, it's pulled back to the 650 level, and really nice base there. Couldn't ask for a better base than that. The reason why I kind of overlooked this one was, one, it only closed up around 88%, something like that, on its day one, and that's not really the strongest day one from what I would prefer for a strong day one. I want at least over 100% close. Not to say I won't play it, but it becomes less premium to me. So that's one reason. And the other reason, I believe, is because I've been finding this market quite difficult. And, you know, taking losses, it just affects how much I'm willing to put on the next trade. And I just sort of lose my confidence a bit. But if I look at this now, in retrospect, God, that's just like such a clear setup to me. But anyway, at least I got a piece. So yeah, just working off this base level here, which it held after hours. And then I think this also threw me off. Pre-market on the day I played it for a bounce was just like no liquidity there, just like nothing going on. So kind of looks a bit unusual to me as well. So yeah, market opened. I decided to take it. I waited till market opened because I wasn't sure about this action here. Took it literally on the first candle and got in at 660. When I realised I'm going to be risking off around 653 here, it's just such a tight risk. So I should have put, you know, decent size on this, especially since I've sized up my account now, but never mind. So yeah, this is kind of a weird bounce because it didn't really do much, and there's another reason why I didn't let this play out as well as much as I could have done, is because this took so long to bounce. Normally you're looking at a bounce pre-market or first few minutes of market open, and this got to like 10 to 2 US time, and it still hadn't done its bounce. It started to grind up a bit. I kind of lost hope really on it. I was thinking, well, it's not bounced, it's probably not going to do it, but I will stick to my risk and let it play out. And then suddenly it started to make its move, and by this point, because I'm on UK time, I had to go out in the evening, so I couldn't really leave the trade going, and I just wanted to, I wasn't really thinking it was going to bounce the way it did, and the fact that I was going out, I just thought, let me just cash in. So my best sell was 763, somewhere around there, and then average sell was 756. So yeah, it took like a 15% gain, which is really disappointing when you look at where it went to. Almost $11, so that's over a 60% bounce, and I just got a fraction of that. But you know, at least I got a piece of the pie. But yeah, I think having to go out and also mentally letting my previous trades affect this one when it was a really good setup, I guess it is easy to say that in retrospect, but yeah, I definitely should have put more on this. But you know, it is what it is. So that's CMCT first green day bounce. So a good thesis, but didn't cash in on what I should have on the trade, and letting my previous losses dictate the size that I put on this kind of a trade. So lessons to be learned on the mental side of things, but overall just a pretty standard week really. So cheers for watching, catch you next week.